New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Today's tool is a tool that I have wanted for a very long time, and it is a hot stapler. A hot stapler is a pretty cool device because what it allows you to do is assemble two pieces of plastic or fix cracked plastic and kind of mend them together. It's basically a stapler that gets very hot, and we'll show you how that works. I purposely bought this particular hot stapler because it came in kind of its own kit. It came with a cutter, it came with staples, it came with a place to store the staples, and it came with a box to keep the cutter in. It's a very nice kit. I did buy it on Amazon. I will put a link down below if you're interested in purchasing it. In this particular kit, it came with a ton of different staples. It came with some cutters that you're going to need to cut the back side of the staples off. We'll talk about how that works here in a second. It came with a nice metal-sided box. It seems to be built okay, and the top of the lid has a place to store those staples in. It's a very nice kit. The stapler itself obviously fits inside the box, so you can keep everything in one spot and not lose anything. The kit came with 8 different types of staples of various sizes and various thicknesses. A hot stapler is a device that takes these types of staples and it allows you to melt them into a piece of plastic. You can use one of these to fix cracked pieces of plastic, or you could mend two pieces of plastic together. They're really ideal when you have cracked plastic and you can't keep that cracked piece of plastic together. Use one of these and it'll hold it together. Then you can kind of cosmetically patch it up and make it look a little better. So if you have plastic trim that you typically find in cars that's cracked and you want a quick fix, this will allow you to fix that. I want to show you very quickly how a hot stapler works so you understand how they work and how this particular unit works. The staples just press into some holes on the end of the wand and they're held in place by friction alone. The hot stapler itself, after you power it on, you need to select the temperature that you need. We're going to use temperature 3. It only has 5 temperatures. You need to get the piece you're working with, or in this case, the piece is, in a situation where you have the crack closed tightly. You take the hot stapler and you press this button down, which turns it on, and then that's going to make that staple really, really hot. It'll actually start to turn cherry red if you let it. You press it down in place and you melt that staple into the plastic. And you can see I'm twisting it back and forth to kind of sink it. Then I'm going to let go of the button and let it cool down a little bit. We're going to pull straight up on the actual wand itself, and you can see the staple is in place and we have these little leads that we need to cut off. They provide you with a set of nippers here, and you just reach down and cut them off. I'm going to do one more a little bit closer here so you can see what's going on. And then we'll pull straight up. And as you can see, the staple's in place and we just need to cut the leads off again. That actually makes a really strong joint. This is 2 pieces that I mended together earlier. I only have 4 staples in it. You can see it's really stout and sturdy. Something else I noticed when I did sink these in here was the tips never really got hot. The staple got hot, but these leads did not. So it made it really easy to keep adding staples to it as I was using it. The kit also came with this hot cutter, which can also be used to smooth out some of those joints. And if you had a plastic welder, you could fill those in pretty easily. Here's an example where the stapler would come in handy. This is a plastic cover that covers the built-in seatbelt on my truck seat. You can see there's a crack right here. We need to fix that crack. What we could do is pull this cover off and from the inside use the hot stapler and mend it back together. That's going to stabilize the crack. Then you could go back and fill this crack up and maybe even paint it and put it back together. I've even seen people take the plastic bumpers on the front and back of today's vehicles and mend cracks back together with these guys. So you can see they can be very useful and they can save you a lot of money in repair work. So there you have my quick, dirty review of how a hot stapler works, and I really like this particular kit. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.